Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the Ukulele Fool, a professional music educator since 1983. I started teaching general music at an elementary school, but the second half of my career I've been dedicating to teaching adult beginners who either had no formal background in music or that background was a long time ago in a galaxy far away. And I transformed those people into musicians because I know the joy that making music can bring to so many different people. When I first fell in love with the ukulele, I just instantly saw the potential it had for those adult beginners that always wanted to become musicians. And so out of that passion that I have for teaching, I developed the New to Uke series. What is the New to Uke series? Well, it is a sequential song-based instructional plan with tons of instructional videos and visuals in the form of chord charts to help you go from zero to hero. Start with the real basics. Like if you don't know how to even buy a ukulele, or you got something but you might want to get to something better, we covered that. Tuning, fingernails, all sorts of really setting the stage things. And then each one of my instructional videos is song-based. And so we take a song and very baby steps start building those skills till eventually you're getting all the way to where you're playing some of your first barred chords and 3 different strumming patterns, as well as learning a strumming technique called the chuck. And I assume that you want to sing and play your ukulele. And I know that singing just, is a skill that can be taught, first of all. And so to that end, I offer tips and suggestions on how to improve your singing and how to get it timed up with your ukulele. Let's take a look at the New to Uke series. The New to Uke series is a 4-page document that has click links on it. And so each time you see a link, boom, it will take you to the video on YouTube. And then also on this one, it will take you to the Patreon site where you can get the chord chart or the accompanying instructional material to go with those videos. Sure, you can get the videos for free on YouTube, not a problem, but they're not in the sequential order and they don't have the visuals and other things like it. Now, $3 a month subscription, and you can cancel anytime, is all it takes on Patreon in order to get you the New Uke series. So that's a cup of a grande Americano at Starbucks. So if you've got that kind of money to basically kind of almost like a tip jar for me, to tip me for the work that I'm doing, kind of as the ukulele evangelist that I am, I would sure appreciate that you do that and learn online in a self-directed way with me.